I am now logged into Windchill and I've authenticated in as this user Peter. When a user logs into Windchill, they're presented with their homepage. Their homepage consists of a number of tables that manages, tracks, and categorizes the information that's being managed. In this particular example for Peter, he has on his homepage two tables. He has updates, which shows a list of all the objects and information that's been recently updated, and also shows my tasks. My tasks are workflow driven tasks. It could be on a change process or a review process that this user Peter needs to take action on. The homepage is very configurable. If I want to come in and add different tables or add more tables to my home view, I can do that. Here I see my list of options of which I can add. For example, if I wanted to add my saved reports to my homepage, I can do that. So every time Peter logs into the system, he's now presented with his saved reports as well as the updates in the task list. Also on the whole page here, we have recently accessed, so it keeps a track or a running list of all recently accessed information within the system. We can see here everything from documents to CAD parts to products all on the list here. It's very easy to navigate back to recently used material within the system. Also on the home page here, we have the ability to do a quick search. I have documents selected here, but there's a full list of different object types that can be searched for. Everything from a part to quality records to change records to CAD information can all be very easily searched from the home page. Windchill supports a full index search engine. So for example, if I knew a parcel name or number for an object, or in this case a document, I could search right from my home page. Here I can see from the search it returns 118 documents for me. That's quite a bit, but if I wanted to make that list a little bit shorter, I can come in here and say, for example, I want to see all the documents created by me. And you see the list goes down to 89. So it did eliminate about 20 documents for me. I can also very quickly come in here and see all the high-level information about these documents that have been returned from the search. If I want to come in and further search within this table, I could do that. Again, if I wanted to search for some keywords, here I can see it returned my list down to 5. Again, same information that's being tracked here. They can see high-level information, the version, the state, when it was last modified. I can also see the document types. So within Windchill, and we'll see this a little bit later in the demonstration, we can track and store and create different types of documents. Here I happen to have a quality record, a test record, and I also have control documents here. So for example, I see this work instruction. If I wanted to see more of the details or drill into that particular document, I can now see the high-level attributes about this document, the name, the status. If it's categorized for DHF or DMR is presented on this page for this document. And because it is a quality document, control document rather, it does require training. So we can see that the training record is needed for this particular document.